Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a closer look at the best Wayska Electric Car Jack 5-ton. A powerful tool designed to make your tire changes faster, easier, and safer. Whether you're at home in your garage, on a farm, or stuck on the side of the road, this jack has you covered. First, let's talk about its lifting capacity. This electric car jack can handle up to 5 tons, or 11,023 pounds, with ease. In just 1 minute, you can lift your car up to a maximum height of 20.86 inches. Once it reaches the top, the jack automatically stops, providing an added layer of safety by preventing overextension. Its self-locking mechanism ensures your vehicle stays in place, reducing the risk of any sudden drops while you're working. Next, convenience is key, and the Wayska Electric Car Jack truly shines in this area. The built-in electric impact wrench helps you quickly remove screws in as little as 3 seconds, making tire changes much faster than using manual tools. And when it comes to emergency situations, the combination of the jack and impact wrench ensures that you can get back on the road without waiting for a tow truck or repair shop. Another standout feature is the built-in inflator. This car jack is equipped with an inflation hose that allows you to fill up flat tires easily. Thanks to the LCD display on the jack, you can keep track of tire pressure and make sure your tires are at the proper inflation levels. You can even use this feature to inflate other items like basketballs or footballs when needed. Powering the Wayska Electric Car Jack is made simple with 2 options. You can use your car's battery or a cigarette lighter, meaning you'll never be stuck without power, whether you're at home or on the road. And for those late-night repairs, the built-in LED light provides ample brightness to help you see what you're doing in dark conditions. This kit is a must-have for anyone who drives long distances, works on a farm, or simply wants peace of mind when traveling. It's an all-in-one solution for tire emergencies, featuring a reliable jack, an impact wrench, and an air inflator. Plus, the red warning triangle included in the box can serve as a roadside alert when you need to make repairs on busy highways. So, whether you're a DIY enthusiast or someone who needs reliable tools for everyday use, the Wayska Electric Car Jack 5-ton is sure to make your life a lot easier. Stay safe, stay prepared, and say goodbye to the hassle of manual jacks and long waits for help. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews. See you next time.